Have you ever tried using chatbots like ChatGPT, Gemini, or Perplexity on a specific topic and you were flooded with tons and tons of complex information that was irrelevant for your level? Have you ever wanted that these chatbots would answer your questions but according to your syllabus, books, or notes? Have you ever thought about if there's any way to learn your topics on the move from your notes in the form of an audio podcast? NotebookLM is an AI tool created by Google that solves all these problems. And in addition to these, has some mind-blowing features that you as a student must know to increase your productivity and be ahead of others in this ever-competing space. Without wasting further time, let's jump into it. To access NotebookLM, you can directly go to notebooklm.google.com or click on this menu and then click on NotebookLM. You can also download the NotebookLM app from Apple Store or Play Store. So you will be greeted with this interface. Here you can see this plus icon labeled as Create New Notebook. Just click on it. You can see that this screen is divided into three sections. The one on the left where you can add sources, which I'll explain in a minute. The middle chat section where you can ask all the questions. And on the right where all the magic takes place. So starting from the left section, it is a source window. Here you can add all the sources from where you want your questions to be answered. Click on Add Sources and then upload your PDF notes or books. You can even add YouTube video links as well, or direct text or Google Drive links as well. For the sake of this video, I'll be adding some notes. And I want all of you to realize that this is what makes NotebookLM so special. For all the questions you ask, information will be extracted from just the source you provided, nothing apart from that. This will make sure that you get your answers tailored for your use. Now after adding the sources, we can ask anything. Say, let me ask, tell me about the POCSO Act. It will analyze my sources and give me the answer accordingly, along with the exact point in source from where it was obtained. Now I will guide you about unlocking the real magic of NotebookLM. Suppose you want to learn about any particular topic. Say for example, how does forensic science utilize skeletal and dental remains for identification purposes? All I need to do is ask about it in the chat. Then once it answers, I need to click on the Save to Note button. Once the note gets saved, click on three dots and click on Convert to Source. Now you can see that it has been converted to a source. Now uncheck the main source and just keep the new source checked. And now we have many options. Number one, we can create a mind map for it by clicking Mind Map. You can see that we now have a beautiful mind map. You can print it out and get an overall idea of the chapter. And also clicking on any of the pointers in the section will take you to an in-depth explanation about it from the sources. Number two, we can create an audio podcast about the topic by clicking on the audio overview. Once it gets generated, you can easily hear it out even while you're on the move. And trust me, these podcasts don't sound boring at all. Number three, once you're done with the topic, you can create a quiz for it, for yourself to test yourself out. Just click on quiz and boom. You have instantly created a quiz for yourself. Number four, that's not all. You can even create flashcards for yourself with just a single click of a button. This will help you in actively recalling whatever you have learned and not just passive learning. Number five, and let me cover one last little feature. If you want to create an infographic for yourself for visual memory, you can do that too. Click on the infographic and you will get an infographic within a few minutes. Now, one important thing to mention is you can always click on the pencil icon on each of these features to tweak the output you want to get. Say in the audio overview, you can choose language, length, and the format. You can even specify some specific instructions for the kind of output you want. NotebookLM is a powerful AI tool that you should use to get maximum out of your studies. But sometimes you just need an AI assistant that can help you in the click of a button. And to know about that, click on this video here. I'll be taking your leave for this one. Till then, happy learning. Bye bye.